Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Social evils in our society. Honorable Chief Guest, respectable teacher, and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. Honorable Chief Guest, a great important topic has been chosen by the organizer of the function, and I, with great respect and wholeheartedly appreciate to their task. Ladies and gentlemen, as we all know and heartfully that our social evils have deeply taken root in our society. Gambling, drugs, opium, and wine evils are rapidly spreading in our young generation, and these are very dangerous social evils from society. Honorable Chief Guest, no government department is taking any serious step for uprooting these evils from society. Any nation of the world always depend on the ability and talent of its youth. If our youth go deep and entangle themselves, they will one day be also a social evils for our society. Honorable Chief Guest, so I urge to government department, urge to government to take serious step for uprooting of these social evils. So,